Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 2807 insert greatest common divisors in English. And before diving into the video, I would like to urge every one of you to please subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 200 subscribers. Hit the like button, click on the drop some comment, any feedback or anything which you would like to give. Okay, so without wasting further time, let's just dive into the video. So in this, we'll be given the head of an English head in which each node contains an integer value, and between every pair of adjacent nodes we have to insert a new node with a value equal to the GCD of them, and we have to return the linked list after insertion. The GCD of two numbers is the larger positive integer that evenly divides the number. That's pretty simple what GCD is. So we are giving the linked list as 18, 6, 10 and 3. So in between the nodes 18 and 6 we have to insert their GCD, so that is 6. Then in the nodes 6 and 10 we have to insert their GCD, that is 2. Then in the nodes between 10 and 3 we have to insert their GCD, that is 1. Okay, so this is what we have to do. This is a pretty straightforward question, nothing much to explain about this. I don't think so. The insertion of the new node, that might be a little bit difficult, but it's nothing that you should be worried of. Okay, so firstly let's have a pointer to the linked list, that is current, and let's initialize that current is equal to head. Then we'll be checking that while current exists, while current is not equal to null, and current dot next is not equal to null. Okay, so what I'll be fetching is, firstly I'll be fetching the GCD by the GCD function. In that I'll be passing the current dot val and current dot next. Oh, sorry, my bad. Current dot next dot val. Okay, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be having to make some connections. So firstly I'll be making a list node. Let's call it new node, that has to be inserted, so that will be equal to new list node, with the value of GCD. Then I'll be updating that new pointer of that new dot not dot next pointer should be pointing towards the current node's next. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be pointing that my current dot next pointer should be pointing towards new node, and I'll be updating my current pointer equal to new node dot next's pointer. Or what you can do, you can just store the linked list pointer, let's say list node of current next node here, so that will be equal to next dot current dot next, and then you can just update it with current equal to next, and it will work fine as well. Otherwise, if you don't want to have another node, the other way also works perfectly fine. Okay, and I'll be doing it in that way only, and at the end I'll just return the head again of the linked list. Now let's quickly write this function, that is GCD. It's with the return type of int. Here I am having two variables, int a and int b. I'll be checking that if b becomes 0, I'll have to return a, else I'll be return GCD b comma a mod b. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, so I guess I made some mistake. Oh, current equal to new node dot next, new node dot next equal to current dot next, current dot next equal to new node. Okay, so current dot val, current dot next dot val, if b equal to 0, what's the error basically? Output comes out to be 18161. Here it should be GCD b mod a. Oh, sorry, return a, not 1. My bad. Now let's give it a run again. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it gets accepted as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.